The 2026 Lamborghini Temerario arrives as a thunderous pivot point in the history of the Santata Bolognese firm, marking the end of the naturally aspirated V10 era and the dawn of high-revving electrification. As the successor to the legendary Huracan, the Temerario faces the monumental task of proving that a twin-turbocharged V8 hybrid can match the soul and sonic drama of its predecessor. It is a vehicle that balances raw, mechanical aggression with the precision of modern electrical engineering, creating a high-performance electrified vehicle, HPEV, that defines the mid-range supercar for a new generation. Visually, the 2026 model is a masterclass in hexagon-focused design, a signature Lamborghini motif that has been elevated to a structural art form. The front fascia is dominated by slim LED headlamps and hexagonal daytime running lights that serve both as visual signatures and aerodynamic air intakes. The silhouette is leaner and more technical than the Huracan, featuring prominent side air scoops that feed the hungry V8 and a rear end that proudly displays its massive exhaust exit and intricate diffuser, ensuring the car looks as fast as it travels even at a standstill. The heart of the Temerario is a bespoke 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8, a clean-sheet engine design that features a flat plane crankshaft and a staggering 10,000 RPM redline. This engine is a mechanical outlier in the modern era, delivering the high-frequency scream traditionally reserved for naturally aspirated racing engines. By integrating 3 electric motors, one between the engine and the gearbox and 2 on the front axle, Lamborghini has created a total system output of 920 CV, approximately 907 horsepower, effectively eliminating turbo lag and providing relentless, linear acceleration. Performance figures for the 2026 model are nothing short of ballistic, with a 0 to 100 km/h, 0-62 mph sprint achieved in a mere 2.7 seconds. The top speed is quoted at over 340 km/h, 211 mph, but the raw numbers only tell half the story. The integration of the electric front axle allows for sophisticated torque vectoring, pulling the car through corners with a level of grip and composure that makes the rear wheel steering systems of the past seem primitive. It is a car that feels surgically precise on a track yet remains approachable for the spirited Sunday drive. The transmission is a new 8-speed dual-clutch unit, positioned transversely behind the engine to optimize weight distribution and allow room for the rear electric motor. This gearbox is shared with the flagship Revuelto, offering lightning-fast shifts that are felt as much as they are heard. In Casa mode, the shifts are punctuated by a mechanical kick that reinforces the car's racing pedigree, while in Strada mode, the transition between gears is smooth enough to make the Temerario a surprisingly viable candidate for long-distance touring. Inside, the "feel like a pilot" philosophy has been refined for 2026, featuring a cockpit that wraps around the driver with surgical intent. The dashboard is dominated by 3 distinct screens, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, an 8.4-inch central vertical display, and a dedicated 9.1-inch display for the passenger. This ensures that even the co-pilot is fully immersed in the telemetry and performance data of the journey. The materials are a high-end blend of carbon fiber, Alcantara, and fine Italian leather, all of which can be customized through the Ad Personam program. Space and ergonomics have seen a significant improvement over the Huracan, with the Temerario offering more headroom and legroom to accommodate taller drivers, even when wearing a racing helmet. The new Comfort seats are designed for daily usability, offering 18-way power adjustment, heating, and ventilation. This shift toward livability suggests that Lamborghini understands its modern clientele wants a car that can conquer a racetrack in the morning and be driven comfortably to dinner in the evening without compromise. The Lamborghini Vision Unit, LAVU, makes its debut in 2026, acting as a dedicated onboard telemetry and video recording system. Utilizing 3 high-definition cameras and a dedicated processing unit, LAVU allows drivers to record their laps, analyze their performance data, and even share their driving highlights directly to social media through the Unica app. It is a digital companion that turns every drive into a professional-grade production, bridging the gap between physical driving and digital content creation. Acoustic engineering was a primary focus during the Temerario's 4-year development cycle. To compensate for the muffling effect of the twin turbochargers, Lamborghini utilized specialized acoustic pipes that channel the natural resonance of the flat plane V8 directly into the cabin. The result is a soundscape that is rich, layered, and authentically mechanical. At 10,000 RPM, the car emits a piercing howl that pays proper tribute to the V10 it replaces, ensuring that the emotional connection to the brand remains intact. For the weight-conscious enthusiast, Lamborghini offers the Allegorita lightweight package for 2026. This trim level utilizes extensive carbon fiber for the bodywork, underbody, and interior components, shedding over 25 kilograms while increasing aerodynamic downforce by up to 67%. It also includes carbon fiber wheels and a titanium exhaust system, making it the definitive choice for those who prioritize track times over daily amenities. This package demonstrates the platform's versatility as both a luxury grand tourer and a hardcore track weapon. Sustainability is addressed through the car's hybrid architecture, which allows for a dedicated city mode. In this setting, the Temerario can operate as a pure electric, front-wheel drive vehicle for short distances, allowing it to navigate zero-emission zones in urban centers or silently leave a neighborhood in the early morning. While the EV range is modest, the primary goal of the hybrid system is performance enhancement and CO2 reduction, aligning the brand with global environmental standards without sacrificing its soul. Safety and driver assistance reach new heights with the inclusion of a comprehensive ADAS suite tailored for supercars. The 2026 Temerario features adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a high-resolution 360-degree camera system that is essential for protecting the car's low-hanging carbon fiber splitters during parking. These systems are tuned to be non-intrusive during performance driving, standing by as a silent safety net rather than a digital nuisance. Pricing for the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario reflects its massive leap in technology and performance, likely starting north of $350,000 before options. While this puts it in a rarefied atmosphere, the value proposition is bolstered by the fact that it offers nearly 1,000 horsepower and a level of technology that was previously reserved for million-dollar hypercars. It is an investment in the future of the brand, offering a mechanical durability and digital sophistication that ensures it will remain a blue-chip collectible for decades. In conclusion, the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario is a triumphant answer to those who feared the loss of the V10. It is a vehicle that embraces the future of electrification not as a constraint, but as a tool to unlock new dimensions of speed and control. By combining a high-revving V8 heart with a sophisticated electric nervous system, Lamborghini has created a supercar that is faster, smarter, and arguably more exciting than anything that came before it. The Bull has been electrified, and its charge is more powerful than ever.